Buckle up, Lumo here. Let's blast off on an adventure through space to explore our home in the universe, the solar system. Ready? Let's go! At the very center is the sun, a giant glowing ball of hot gas. It's so big that more than 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. The sun gives us light and warmth. Zooming around the sun are 8 planets. Closest is Mercury, the smallest planet, a little rocky world that races around the sun faster than any other. Next is Venus, wrapped in thick yellow clouds. Venus is the hottest planet of all, even hotter than Mercury. Then comes our home, Earth. It's the beautiful blue planet and the only place we know of with water, air, and living things. That's us. After Earth is Mars, the red planet. Its rusty red dust gives it its color, and robots from Earth are exploring it right now. Now the giants. Jupiter is the biggest planet, so big all the others could fit inside it. It even has a giant storm bigger than the whole Earth. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. They circle the planet like a giant sparkling hoop. Farthest out are the icy blue twins, Uranus and Neptune. They are freezing cold, windy, and very, very far from the sun. Our solar system is full of extras too, dozens of moons, and a belt of tumbling space rocks called asteroids. Cosmic fun facts! A day on Venus is longer than its whole year. And on Neptune, it can rain diamonds. Space is amazing. From the blazing sun to the icy edges, our solar system is an incredible place, and it's our home. Which planet is your favorite? Like and subscribe, and let's explore again soon!